Welcome to another basic tutorial here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Udemy course. Alright, it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your favorite browser and go to the search bar or the URL box. And here just type in Udemy and hit on enter. Once done, just click on the first link right here which says udemy.com. Click on it. Now what we're going to do here is just basically sign up if you haven't yet and log in if you already have an account. Alright. Now, once you've signed in, just go ahead and click on the Teach on Udemy. Alright, click on it and you will be landed to this page. It says here, come teach with us, become an instructor and change lives including your own. Get started. So it says here, share your knowledge. Udemy course or video-based experience that gives students the chance to learn actionable skills. Whether you have experience teaching or it's your first time, we will help you package your knowledge into an online course that improves students' lives. Alright, now it will ask you what kind of teaching have you done before. It could be in person, informally, or in person professionally, online, and other. Alright, let's say for example online, I'm just going to hit on continue. How much of a video pro are you? If you are not keen to video editing, or you are kind of a shy type when in front of camera, you can go ahead and click on I'm a beginner. If you have some knowledge, click on this one. If you are experienced, click on this one. And if you have videos that are ready to upload, click on this one right here. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say I have some knowledge. All right. Let's hit on continue. Now, do you have an audience to share your course with? Not at the moment, as we're just getting started. All right. Hit on continue. Now in this page, as you can see, there's a button called create your course. Now what we're going to do is just basically click on it and it will land us to this page that has 4 steps. Alright, first let's find out what type of course you're making. And this option on the left, create rich learning experience with the help of video lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, and etc. Right here in the right, practice test. Help students prepare for certification exams by providing practice questions. Alright, let's say for example we're gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna hit on continue right here at the bottom left. Now in here, how about a working title? It's okay if you can't think of a good title now, you can change it later. Say for example we wanted to give this topic, for example, PC tutorials for newbies. Alright, once that's done, just hit on continue. Third question here, what category best fits the knowledge you'll share? Click on the drop down and maybe IT and software. Alright, click on this one, continue, and it asks here, how much time can you spend creating your course per week? If you are very busy, you can go ahead and use this one, which is 0 to 2 hours. Or if you want to work on this on the side, just click on this one. Alright, just select your preferred time right here. I'm going to choose this one and hit on create course. Now this page will load. Now in here, the following descriptions will be publicly visible on your course landing page and will have a direct impact on your course performance. These descriptions will help learners decide if your course is right for them. Now in here it says you must enter at least 4 learning objectives or outcomes that learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. You can go ahead and fill everything right here and also in here. Once you're done with this page, just go ahead and click on the left pane right here. Click on course structure. After that, click on setup and test video. If you want to, just go ahead over with these pages right here. Alright, accessibility, which is optional. Course landing page, your course title, course subtitle, course description, pricing of course, the promotions if you have promotions for your courses, and the course message. Alright, once you're done with everything, just click on submit for review and wait for Udemy's response. Alright, that's basically how you create a Udemy course. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.